Alright, progress for the food cart. It's number 6. Got the laminate on the top. I don't know if you can see that or not. Got it all filed. Fairly clean. Just gotta take some lacquer thinner to it. Seems like it's having a hard time focusing tonight.
Must be the light.
Got the Dos Gringo, or Gringo Uno.
Gringo Uno.
Baby Gringo.
Baby Gringo.
On the way.
Baby Gringo.
Soon to arrive.
Yeah.
Did you say that's possible?
No.
What's possible?
He'd come out not looking like a gringo.
Yeah, that's not
He has
possible.
2 white pants.
I don't think so.
So anyway, at least the laminate's on the top tonight.
Next step.
Next step is we got to drill the sinks, but I didn't have the right bit for it tonight.
Oh well.
Oh well.
No setback.
Yeah.